Hit everybody. You just messed up the whole video.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miriam. If you are new here, go ahead and introduce yourself. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. You guys are the best. You are the real MVP. Guess what is happening today? I am going over to check out my models. Yes, for my fashion show, for my photo shoot, business launch. So come with me. Let's go. And if you are new here, if you're seeing this gorgeous queen for the first time, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I drop 2 videos every week, 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And you can also catch me live on YouTube every Saturdays and Wednesdays, 10:30 p.m. Pacific time. And if you're looking for grants for your small businesses, go ahead and check out my other YouTube videos on my playlist. If you need scholarship opportunities, if you need grants, if you need fully funded conferences, you will find all such videos on my channel. And if you also need to get motivated, guess what? You will find motivational videos, content on my channel as well. Guess what? I am wearing my design. This is a top-notch, layered skirts designed by me, yours truly. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you my full outfit when we get to the venue. So come with me. Let's go. So I'm sure you can see. So this is one of the organizers of the show, the fashion show. So guys, I'll be taking you guys along on my journey. So come with me. Let's go.
Let's go.
You want to introduce yourself?
Yes, what's up you guys? I'm Kel the Music, hip-hop artist, actress, host, entrepreneur. Just launched my own line of berets called Tinks.
I love it.
Thank you. And I look forward to having you and your brand join us. And you guys, we need to film Corinne. Just a store.
Really?
But she does all the events. And because
really?
of her, we get to do our event.
Oh wow. So can we meet you?
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a content creator on YouTube, so do you mind telling us about you?
Sure.
Okay.
So I grew up in Oakland, and I own Rocky's Market and 2 local girls. And we have 2 locations, and this is our newest location. It's gorgeous today.
Nice. I love it. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We do events and stuff also here.
Okay.
Like live music and stuff.
Definitely. This is my first time.
Oh wow. That's cool. So I wouldn't mind having my fashion show, guys. So I'll be having a fashion show, like we're gonna be conducting a fashion show, and I'll be showcasing my brand. So you guys come with me, let's go. So if you want to meet one of our models for the day, just stick around and watch. Sit back, relax, and listen. Let's go.
Fits good.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay.
I feel like if it was any tighter, it would be like a really good fit. Like a
Okay.
really tight fit, if you get what I'm saying.
Okay, so let's see this one. Let's see.
Yeah, that one fit really good. And I really like
Are you
this.
sure this is gonna fit?
That's my song too.